This is James from JS Studios Games, and today I'll be showing you my newest upload to itch.io, Slingshot beta version. I uploaded the game on Sunday and I wanted to get to work on the video right away, but I couldn't because of lots and lots of math homework. Anyways, Slingshot, as I said, is still in its beta phase and it still needs quite a bit of polish and sound, but the core mechanics are done. Since it's in its beta phase, it will be very helpful if you could play the game at jsstudiosgames.itch.io/sling-shot. The link will be in the description. Please be sure to leave a comment on how I can improve the game. So now I'll tell you about the game. The game is pretty simple to play. You swing through the roof on your grappling hook, all while avoiding the floor below and outrunning the end behind you. In other news, I'll be creating a devlog that I'll be posting on YouTube as I go through the process of completing the game that I will try to upload every week or every other week. That all depends on how much time I have, so look out for that. Well, that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post another video. Also, make sure to leave a comment down below on videos that you would like to see in the future. Lastly, please be sure to support me on Patreon to help me boost my game dev process. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video.